Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this beautiful helmet that has a unicorn design. I got sent out this one for review and I am loving it, and my children too. This came also with some stickers so your children can decorate their helmet however they like. It comes with a lot of them. A pack of hearts, also a pack of stickers of stars, and the alphabet so they can actually put their name on their helmet or maybe even some phrases as well. They can remove and also put some other stickers again. The hard ones are really nice because they come in different colors and they are all shiny like the girls like. Okay, so the helmet is also adjustable from the size of the head and also from the neck part. It is really nice, and the most important thing is that it will keep your child protected. I love these kind of helmets because they are adjustable and they can be used for a few years as well.